there, my name is Lorenzo, and on behalf of Archway Urban Farm, I'm here to talk to you today about Patio Gardening 101, or how to grow food in containers. Through this video series, we'll just be going over the basics, every little step that you need to know to ensure that you have a nice, big, beautiful bounty, and you can grow your own food no matter where you live or where you are. So why don't we get started? Before you get your hands dirty in the soil here, one of the first things you really have to do is get yourself a plan. All right, well, what does that consist of? Well, the first thing for a good plan is you want to determine your purpose of growing. Why are you growing? You're just looking to grow a couple of veggies and herbs to add into other meals, keep things fresh and tasty, or are you looking to have nice, big, bountiful harvests to keep feeding you throughout the end of summer and into fall? Lots of that's going to determine what you grow and how you grow it. So one influence there is the variety of the plants. Each individual type of vegetable has many different varieties grown for different purposes and might have different tastes. So it's important to know what you want to grow. For instance, an indeterminate vine tomato could grow meters and meters tall, whereas a small bush tomato might not even fill up this pot here. So it's important to know why you're growing so you can figure out what you want to grow. That leads me to the next part here, and that would be space. You want to take a look around at the space that you have available for you to grow. Are you just growing on a little patio, somewhere compact, or do you have somewhere a little more wider open, maybe along the side of a driveway or along a front step? So it's important to recognize what space you have available to you. Along with space comes the bright sunshine we have shining down on me here. Is the spots where you want to grow, are they sunny or are they shady? Because that's going to influence the type of plants that you want to grow as well. More delicate leafy greens like lettuce, arugula, spinach, and sometimes even peas and other delicate herbs do really well in the shade. So if you're in a shady patio on the north side of a building, then that's perfect. But maybe you have a south-facing area. Tons of sunshine just beating right down. That's going to do great for things like tomatoes, beans, basil, peppers, and other plants that love the heat. So keep all of this in mind while you're putting together a plan. Once you have what you want to grow in mind, then we can move on to the next step, which is right here, our big containers.